I'm Roger, here with Guaranty in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. We're right on Highway 99, so this is going to be a lot of fun. Today we're going to be looking at a 2015 Nexus Viper. Really unique coach. You're going to love the inside of this one. Let's take a look at the outside real quick. This is a full body paint coach. It's pretty well loaded. It's got the side cameras. It's got the push button awning. It's got directional indicators on the mirror so you can see that your turn signal is still on and has been on for the last 4.5 miles. So that's always good. Great storage. I love the fact that it does have the programmable water heater. It's an on-demand water heater. Love that. Great storage throughout. We've got the roof ladder. We got LED lights. Like I said, it's a full body paint. Great tow package. Here's our backup camera. It's currently set to point straight at the hitch. It's fully adjustable. We've got one slide. We're on Michelin tires, really great tires. Easy connection for our sewer. Love the graphics on here. 4,000 watt generator. Really cute coach. Let's go inside because this is a really unique coach. So this coach has got the Ford chassis. It's got the 5-speed transmission, backup camera, side cameras. Side cameras work off the turn signal. Love the entertainment package up front. So it doesn't have that bunk. It is set up for 2 people, but the booth dinette makes into a good sized bed. A lot of great storage in here. It's got the inverter, solid surface countertops, countertop extension, Euro recliner, great storage. But this is different back here. Oh, first we got to look at the bathroom here. It's a good sized bathroom. Let me swing this all the way open here. Short coach, I mean it needs a little cleaning, but a nice decent bathroom for a shorter rig. Good size Nor-Cold refrigerator. You can program the temperature that you want it. Nice pantry. And then this is where it gets really different. This is one of the few twin bed coaches I've seen in quite a while. We've got a TV up front. We've got a TV back here in the bedroom. We've got some great storage. Nice twin beds, full size length. It's about a 25 footer. And you get everything that you could ask for in this coach. My name is Roger.Woodruff with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. If you have any questions about this coach or any others, feel free to give me a call. Thank you.